Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. This previous videos I had shared subject weightage, test syllabus, past papers of University of Sindh entry test for 2025. In this video I am going to share official test sample paper for pre-entry test 2024 that will be conducted on 13th October and 20 October 2024. So in English, choose the word most similar in meaning to capitalized ones. 1. Gigantic. A. Huge. B. Enormous. C. Bright. D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Huge. This is the similar of gigantic. Question number 2. Choose the word most nearly opposite in meaning to the capitalized one. A. Question is accelerate. Word is accelerate. Options are A. Delay. B. Risk. C. Monitor. D. Deny. And the correct answer is delay. A. Question number 3. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. So the knowledge spell is given. Knowledge spell is Knowledge. C is the correct answer in this question. Question number 4. Choose the appropriate option which are given below each questions that completes the meaning of the given sentence. Question number 4. Mountain is covered dash snow. A. By. B. With. C. Of. D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. With.